Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the galaxy portrait effect. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is separate our subject from the background. Select the object selection tool, select our subject by holding Command J or on PC Ctrl J. I'm going to duplicate the layer. I'm going to duplicate it 2 times. Let's hide our first layer, go to adjustment layers, go to solid color, select white, and put it beneath our 2 layers. Select our top layer and click desaturate. Now go to filter, filter gallery, go to sketch, torn edges, and copy my settings. Then click here to make a new layer, go to artistic, select cutout, and copy my settings. When you're done with that, press OK. Now, as you can see, our picture is consisted of more gray colors than black, but we need black and white. So go to adjustments, levels, drag the blacks here and the whites here. As you can see, our picture is fully black and white now. Place your galaxy picture over your model. Let's hide our galaxy for now. Select the model layer, select the brush tool, make sure the hardness is at 100%, and if there is something you need to clean up, you can draw over it. When you're ready to put your galaxy over it, make it visible again, put the blending mode as screen. Create a new layer, go to gradient, make a radial gradient just like this one. Put the blending mode as linear burn. Drag the opacity just a little bit down, and this gives it more of a dramatic look. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.